auf Sicht, starke Rauchentwicklung, alle Kräfte durchfahren kommen.
Machines, robots, which can go into buildings, into dangerous areas. Lives might depend on it.
When we go for 6G, we can provide a quantum leap of new opportunities for the rescue personnel. Research on 6G is a global research effort. Rescue is one of the major sectors where 6G can create a big impact. It's important already now in the development phase of 6G to work closely with rescue organizations so that 6G will meet those requirements.
We use the extensive test fields. The 6G solution really gets challenged, has to work with different robotic systems.
We are representing 6G Research Hub 6GEM together with our colleagues from 6G Live. We have been organizing this event.
Drones are commonly used now in the field of reconnaissance to make first assessment of a scene.
And it will also provide a map outdoors as well as indoors.
They have to be remote controlled. So we need a low latency, it has to be continuous, it has to be absolutely reliable, so the communication must not break, not even very, very short time.
Typically we provide one large-scale network from the Mission Control Center, but this larger-scale network might not provide sufficient coverage. In this case, we have to complement the network with so-called mesh nodes, and these mesh nodes can be placed everywhere in the scenario, operate mesh, cellular as well as satellite at the same time. They stepwise increase the coverage and we seamlessly switch between these networks. This is a major innovation because today typically only one network is operated. If this network fails, the whole mission can fail. Once the drones indicate where the problems are, we send in ground robots.
Ground robots could go into collapsed areas, search for victims, open doors, close valves, taking measurements.
This is a big advantage that you can send a robot into a very dangerous situation while keeping a safe distance. This Explorer robot can provide sensor information about the environment. Different types of sensors can be placed on the robots, but the key point is that the networking options are deployed on every of the robots. Then we send in a robot which can manipulate the environment, and this rescuer robot has an arm and it can handle things in the environment, and in our case it will fix the problem that has caused the smoke.
You see many people around the world are working on the same topics, facing the same issues, the same problems.
The Japanese colleagues came into play when we started 6G research.
Collaboration between Germany and Japan is very effective. In the 6G era, we definitely need collaboration to realize something because the system is going to be very, very complicated. What is important is application.
Once we want to integrate across the different teams, we face new challenges. So the aim of the next 4 years is to transfer the results of our research hubs into applicable solutions which can be deployed in real life. New scenarios come into play when we consider climate change. Communication networks are highly important. This is surely an aspect very relevant for the German society.